So hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Rajesh and you are watching my channel Rinku Art. So many of my subscriber friends are sending mails asking questions how to draw their own character that should look nice and should look appealing. So in this video I am going to share my tips and tricks, you can say. By using those tips and tricks you can make your character look appealing. So without much ado, let's get started.
Hey, welcome everyone. You are watching the channel Rinku Art.
So first, if you are practicing your character, first what you will do, as I have told you in my earlier videos, that you should first go for round, okay, and now I'm going to include a rectangle or you can say a square, okay, and with that first go for the front pose, okay, don't go for 3/4 right now, but that is the most important pose, 3/4 pose, and that should look very nice. So first I'll go for the front one, which you all can draw, but in front pose itself you should make your character appealing, and how, that I'll share you just now. Okay, so this is the eye line and this is the center line, and first while you are drawing your character, don't be that much symmetric. Don't go for like this circle is not accurate or this square is not accurate. That is not required for the time being. Okay, so first you go for this and here as well. So this is the nose point, and here you can put either dot like this or you can put the eyes itself like this, round eyes. And the eyebrows, simple. This is the rough stage. Here you need not have to go for detailing, just the rough thing you need to work on. You need to see your character on the sheet or on the screen, then only you can improvise it. Okay, roughly now you can see. Let me make it little down with the lasso tool, and now as you can see, this character, this one, the face is in round shape and this one is in square or rectangle. So first I'll work with this and then with this. Okay, let me erase this and let me take this character little right hand side, and let me take this in different layer, Ctrl X, Ctrl V, so it will come in the next layer. And now we'll work on both the face, or you can say both the character. So selecting pencil tool, and I'll first work with this, and let me do the rough on this. Whatever essential thing or shapes I need to add, I'll do in this stage. Like I'll zoom little bit to get the clear view, and then I want the character eyebrow like this, and I am using this eraser. This is smoother than this. This is the hard eraser, this is the soft eraser. Okay, so I'll use the soft one because I want the lines, those should not be get erased totally, so that's why I'm using the soft eraser. And now I'll increase the size a little bit and erase a little bit as well. So I'm getting the lighter version of this character, so I can do the changes over here like this. Okay, so till now I have not added any hairs over here, so I'll add that as well. And now on the face and ears, I am thinking how to do my character. So the eyes will be like this. Okay, so let me tell you, the previous part I have completed the rough one, and now I am doing the second rough. After that I can do the cleanup. Okay, and don't just suddenly jump to the cleanup version. You should do the rough and then the second rough, then third rough, like that you can do, or else you can do the first rough and then final cleanup. Don't just do the final cleanup. Okay, so you need some time to see your character, because that character is your own character. Give some time to your character. You should not, I have seen many of my subscribers sending the drawings to me, and those are not appealing because they are not interested to do their character. They don't love their character. They should love the character and spend some time to do your character. Okay, So I'm thinking more how to add the nose, what all features I can add with this character. It's not like I have just made the eyes, nose and ears and my character is ready. You need to spend time, you need to see how the ears should look, what is the style of the eyes I should add. Everything you should give some time to your character. Character design is not like you will do within minutes, within seconds. No, it's not like that. You have to give some time. It may take 1 hour, it may take 2 hours. Sometimes it may take days also, because you need to find out your character. It's not like you just drawing a line and your character is ready. So spend some time with your character and see if your character is looking appealing or not. So the shapes you should observe and see whether those shapes are working with your character or not. So every time you need to spend more time. For the sake of this video, I am doing it little fast, but usually I give more time to my character. Till the time I am satisfied, I do my character. See how I am doing. To make this character live, I am repeatedly drawing the lines and see whether that lines is giving that liveness to my character or not. Okay. See, I am working more on the eyes as well. And happy mouth, I want to make the happy mouth like this maybe. And then see, I have already shape of the character, so I am working on that inside the shape, and now I am putting the ears here. Okay, and then the side of the eyes. See, I'm drawing 2-3 lines over here to get the idea whether this line will work or not. It's not like I'm drawing single line and the character is ready. It's not like that. You need to spend and see, concentrate on the drawing itself. While drawing, you should get into your drawing. And then see, here I am just doing the character roughly. I am putting all the basic features like ears, round ears. I can put this also, but no, it will not look good on this character. And here I can add the thickness to the eyebrows, and nose you can change as well. Whatever your choice, you can add. You have to take the reference from Google, internet, and see different type of nose, different type of mouth. Okay, and here you need to draw your hairs. So I'm thinking how the hair should look on this character, so I'll draw a rough shape first, maybe like this. So it is looking fine, so I'll continue with this. Okay, and I'll erase these lines, and now you can see the character is looking good. And if not, I can change the character's hair, you can say, because the character is looking fine to me right now, and I can add or I can remove the hairstyle. So I'm thinking to add from here. Okay, so now my character is ready, and I need to add the neck from here. Okay, like this, giving some shades. This is the rough stage, so you should not color, or you should not put the lines, the final lines, because here you can find out the problems or which part is looking nice or which part is not looking nice, you need to discover here itself. So the shapes also you need to do it nicely. You need to see the ears. Both the ears should look identical. Mainly the eyes, you need to work more on the eyes. So it is looking quite good. And if you want to add the glasses of the character, you can add it. If it is required, you can add. Like if I want to add, I'll do it here. And this is the secondary thing. Then you can use it in, you can draw this one in different layer, so that later on if you don't require this prop, you can delete it or hide it. Okay, just check it out once. If it works, you can do like this. Okay, so like this is the round shape character, and here I'll do the square one. This is the rough one. Okay, I'll do this one with okay, fine. So this one also, first I'll do already the construction is done, the rough construction I should say, and with that I'll use the soft eraser and erase a little bit. And if you are using the pencil paper, then you can erase the drawing with eraser with soft hand, because the line should visible, then only you can draw on it. Okay, so here I have done roughly I have raised my character, and now I'll go for the nose first. Nose, I'll erase it because I have something in mind how to draw this nose. This one is looking a little realistic, so I don't want to go into realistic, so I'll go with the round nose, or maybe like this. And this mouth is not looking that good because it is totally straight. Smile pose, no, that one I have done smile. I'll do something different with this mouth. Let me do something like this, and eyes, I would like to go with the ball like this, eyeball, and down some lines to give the dimension. And this one I'll erase. I'll erase the ears here because the rough one is a little bit far from the eyes, so I have to erase this. See, I am using the different ear in this character. So I want to make this character a little old. See, if I am not satisfied with the hairs or the shape, then I am repeatedly trying to make the shape proper by drawing it repeatedly, or you can say multiple times I am drawing it to get proper shape. I am just drawing it multiple times, so it is not doing that appealing. So I am going to erase this once again, and this one is also not looking that appealing. Maybe like this. I don't know how it will look, but just trying out. think this will work. Yeah, this one is looking quite okay. So this character is also ready for me, and as you can see, the rough lines are visible. Those are secondary lines. Those are not important for the time being, because you have already constructed or you have completed your drawing. Okay, and in the next stage you can do the cleanup of this character and then the color. So the shape here is very rough, so you can change it or you can correct it in the later stage, that is the cleanup stage. If you think you can't do the cleanup after this, then you can use another layer to do the rough cleanup and then the final cleanup. You should not be hurry in designing your character. You should spend more time. I am telling repeatedly that please spend more time with your character and finalize the things as I am doing over here, to make you understand that I am also doing multiple times to bring my character live. So small lines are there that you can add, and yeah, that's done. So here both the characters are ready and both are from different shape, that is circle and square. So how to draw, you got my point. Now you need to draw of your own, and if you have any doubt regarding this circle and square character only for the front pose, please comment below. I'll be happy to answer you and make another video if it is needed for the front pose. Practice more with the front face and let me know your feedback. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please like and share. And if you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.